Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Wisdom and welcome to another tutorial video here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change back your Microsoft Word language to English. That means if you accidentally change Microsoft Word language to another language and you don't understand the language, and here is the video to how to change it to English. So first of all, go to your search option as usual and type Microsoft Word on the search bar and double click it to open. And after that, go to the last option and click that option. That is the option, and this window will pop up. Here you have to select the fifth option, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the fifth option, that is the language option. Just select it, and here you can see English on the third bracket, and just click that English option and select this last option, and then select this one, that is the OK button. Select this one, and after that just select this option again and close your Word file, and now search the word again and select it to open. And now as you can see, my word is back to the original English language. So this is the video, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and if this does solve your problem, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.